نتكلم عن البلفيك فلور اكسرسايز. pelvic floor exercises 3 exercises. Step 1 exercise for pubovaginalis. Step 2 exercise for puborectalis. Exercise 3 exercise for the wall muscle. نبدأ بستيب 1 هي exercise for pubovaginalis. The mother is a crook-lying position. The therapist straight standing at the level of the pelvis. The abdomen of the mother is covered by one layer of clothes to see the lowering or to observe the lowering of the abdomen or contraction of the lower abdomen. There is a slight abduction of the hips to avoid adduction contraction or to prevent or avoid substitution of hip adductors. Step 1 there is no grasp, just to observe and command. We observe the lower abdomen. We ask the mother to contract the pubovaginalis muscle. Command بالضبط. Try to contract as if you control your urethral orifice. Try it. حاول تعمل exercise. Try to contract your urethral orifice. Concentrate in this action. Hold. Then relax. We observe the lowering, the contraction of the lower abdomen or lowering of the abdomen. Okay, this is step 1. Step 2 exercise for puborectalis muscle. Exercise for puborectalis muscle. There's the mother crook-lying position, covering the abdomen by one layer of clothes. There is a slight abduction of the hip. The therapist straight standing at the level of the pelvis of the mother. Grasp, there is a grasp, palm around the gluteus and the fingers, the tips of fingers around the anus to observe or to palpate the contraction of the muscles. The palms around the gluteus and the tips of fingers around around the anus to palpate the contraction of the muscle اللي هي puborectalis muscle. Action, try to contract as if you control your bowel action. Concentrate in this action. Hold, then relax. Step 3 for exercise for the wall muscle, puborectalis, pubovaginalis and pubococcygeus. نفس position of the mother, crook-lying position, lower, covering the abdomen by one layer of clothes, slight abduction of the hip to prevent hip adduction substitution. Therapist straight standing beside the mother, tips palms on the gluteus and the tips of fingers around the anus, as we mentioned before, to palpate the contraction of the muscle. الكوماند بالضبط. Try as if you control your bowel action, urethral orifice, and draw the vagina up through lowering the abdomen. Concentrate in this action. Hold, then relax. Try to contract as if you control your bowel action, urethral orifice, draw the vagina up through lowering the abdomen. بنلاحظ الobservation تبع lowering of the abdomen. Concentrate in this through lowering the abdomen. Concentrate in this action. Hold, then relax. This is the exercise for pelvic floor exercise.